In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Supermetrics templates as the basis for your Excel reports. Start out by going to supermetrics.com. In the navigation bar under Resources, select Template Gallery. Here you can find lots of Supermetrics templates, free to use for Google Sheets, Google Data Studio, and Excel. Next, choose which template you want to use. You can also see which data sources are used in each template. Once you've selected your template, simply click on it, download it as an Excel file. To get your own data to template, open the template file in Excel, open the Supermetrics sidebar, and select the accounts or properties you want to use as data source. Then click on Run Queries. Once your data has been populated to the sheet, select Refresh All. That's it. Your data has been inserted in the template and your report is ready.